Oh, I've had a few days now with the AIPAS S1 amp, and this is my first real impression of it. Not a full long-term review yet, but enough to tell you whether this thing is actually worth your attention. On paper, it sounds impressive. You're getting a 4,000 WR setup, serious torque, and that full dirt bike style performance AIPAS is pushing hard in the marketing. And honestly, when you first see it, it does look like you're getting way more than the price would suggest. But here's the reality after putting it through some early rides. It's powerful, no doubt, but it's not just plug-and-play perfection. The throttle response feels aggressive. The suspension is decent for the price, but you do notice where cost-cutting shows up, especially in finish quality and refinement. It's one of those machines where you feel the performance first and everything else second. So is it worth your money in 2026? If you're expecting premium-level polish, probably not. But if you want raw power and don't mind a few rough edges, this might actually surprise you. I'll be testing it more, so stay tuned for the full breakdown soon.